Yes, in this video tutorial, I will show you how to create this table. Okay, in case many of you do not know how to create this table, I'm gonna go to the bottom here. This is lab 1 for your Microsoft Word. Okay. How you create this table? You need to go here, insert and table. Okay, you go what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and by 4 there. Okay, from here then you can adjust this, and then you can center that. Okay, you can center this like that. No, I believe you have to click this one and then you center that. Okay, uh, then you will type study times. Okay, put that brain power. Okay, 50%. Okay, I'm going to put this in the middle. Center alignment. Okay, not that one. Let me see here. Oops, I accidentally clicked the wrong one. So I will highlight that and put that in the center. There we go. From here I can copy here, Control V and Control C. Control C is to copy, and then Control V is to paste. Okay, so you need to just adjust this like that. Okay, and then you're gonna make some adjustment of that. Okay, put this 70%. You put that 75%, and this one is 100%. Okay, how you format it like that? You don't have to be exactly as it is, so I would suggest you look for this one. Okay, you can use this one. Okay, this one, let me see which one that is proper. I believe let's choose this one. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Okay, and if you want this borderless, then we need to use this one, right? Borderless. All right, put that, you put that, and then you enter that. Okay, so that's how you create a table. The next thing that I want to show you is this one. Okay, it's called tabbing. How do you do this one? Okay, here let me give you some instruction how to do this one. Okay, first of all, you have okay, here what you need to do, Mr. John Doe. Okay. All right, so what I would like to do is I'm going to put my cursor in the lower left hand corner, and then I'm going to go, okay, this is called ribbon. Okay, insert ribbon and a design ribbon and layout ribbon. Okay, so all of this menu is called ribbon. So we go to home ribbon, and then under paragraph setting, you see that on the lower right corner, paragraph setting, click this one, and then click the tab key, click the tab key in the lower left corner, press this one. I will put 1.15 left alignment and non-set. That means it will stop in 1.15. Then I will put the other one 3.50. Okay, you will put this as a center alignment and then put dotted. So it will stop right there. Okay. As I press the tab key for the second time, it will stop in 3.5, and then it will put you a dotted symbol there. Okay. And then you need to click set. Okay. The last one is 5.25. Okay, let's put this 5.25 or 5.15. You're going to stop right there, 5.25, right alignment and dotted line and set. Okay, so notice that you have 1.5 alignment, left, none, 3.25 center and dotted, and 5.25 right and dotted line set. Okay, you need to click OK there. Okay, when you click this, if on the tab key you see already have something, you just need to clear all and then start all over again. Make sure you do it from the beginning. You click set and then OK. So now if I press tab, the tab key is next to the Q, later. You press the tab key, there you're gonna put the name John Doe. Okay, if I press the next tab key for the second time, look at this, it will give you the tab key will stop 3.50. Why is it like that? Well, because remember earlier we put the tab key in 3.5 and then stop. So we will put COSC 1301, and then you press the next tab key, which is the third one. Here you're gonna put maybe McAllen, or you put that as a Texas. Okay. When you do this exercise, you don't have to be exactly 100% from my handout. The most important is for you to learn how to format that properly. Okay. I will not be very picky in the grading, but try to be as close as you can. Okay. So if you don't see this ruler, you need to go to view ribbon and make sure you check that. If students do not uncheck this, look at that, you will not see the ruler. So you go to view ribbon and click the ruler. All right. The next thing that I want to show you is this one, how to put a symbol there. You need to go to insert and symbol. You see this on the right hand corner, you go to the insert ribbon, and then on the right hand side you see a symbol, more symbol. Okay, you choose the one that have a dotted line. Okay, look for it slowly there. Did you see it somewhere? Here, this may not be exactly, sometimes the symbol is not exactly as it is, but you can find as close as you can there. I would suggest use this one. Okay, insert, close. Okay, all right, let me see. Let me pause this. Okay, let me pause this. Okay, here we go. I find the bulleted point. What you need to do, you go to miscellaneous symbols and choose this one there. Okay, earlier it was not over there. Miscellaneous symbols, and then you insert this dotted line. Okay, insert it. So now you will see over there. Okay, I hope that this video tutorial will help you how to do the lab exercise that I provided to you in the Blackboard. Thank you.